Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's actually New Year's Eve, and it's a little bit after 2 o'clock in southeastern Tennessee, and I really wasn't planning on vlogging out on this ride, but this road is just too awesome. This is called Lost Creek, and I keep crossing this little creek, so I'm assuming that's Lost Creek. Hey, I found it. I've only been on this road for a couple of miles. I've never been on it before. I'll try to post a map, maybe somewhere over here, of where this place is. And I'm not really sure where it goes to, but it seems to be very well maintained. I've been on a lot worse than this. I've got a feeling that eventually this road's just going to get worse and worse, and I'm going to wind up turning around. Big Lost Creek. Well, I've been back here for 7 miles now. I've come to the Lost Creek campground. So that means I've got at least 7 miles to get back if I turn around right here. Well guys, I've just turned around. I've gone on this dirt road for 10 miles. I met a very bearded fellow in a bright orange hat and bright orange vest. He was driving a 4-wheel drive truck. He said that it was still very far to pavement. He thought it might be 30 miles or more. Wow, it sounds exciting. He said that the road only gets worse. Anyway, it certainly sounds like a wonderful adventure for another day. For now, I'm going to head back because it's a bit cold and it looks like it could begin raining any time. Further exploration of this road is definitely on my near bucket list.